Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called BrandReview, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way to make money or not, right? Can you just make a little bit of money by clicking on ads, taking some surveys, reviewing brands, right? It's also called reviewcash.top. Let's check it out. Let's see if this is legit or if this is a, massive fake website. Let's check it all out, right? Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 or more 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different websites, business models, apps, and different types of online marketing websites, and I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out brand reviews to find out whether this is a cool way to make money or not. Now, if you've been to this website, right, the first thing that is a little bit weird about the website is it's called Brand Review, okay, but the URL is review-cash.top, which is a bit odd, all right? So you might be searching for review cash, or maybe you're looking for brand review and you stumbled upon this website. Maybe you saw this on social media, okay? Because a lot of people are promoting it on YouTube and social media and stuff like that. And basically, if you come down here, it says how to get started. All you need to do is just sign up for free. They pay you a $25 bonus just for signing up, okay? So for me, seeing that straight away, that's a huge red flag. I have reviewed so many different websites, and I've reviewed websites that look very similar to this as well. That is a big red flag, and this looks fishy to me, okay? Usually when websites like GPT or survey websites give you a bonus to sign up, it's usually not that much. It's usually $1 to $5. But if you're giving $25 away for every free sign up, it just monetarily does not make business sense for the website to do that, okay? So let's just keep track of this. This is one red flag, all right? All you have to do is review and leave a note for a website, and then you get paid. So easy. That's what they make it sound like, okay? So let's check this out, right? It says Brand Review is the #1 money-making site out there. Okay, that's a huge claim. Earn up to $18 an hour by completing offers on Brand Review. Okay, again, that's a huge claim, right? Again, I have reviewed so many different websites online, especially review sites, survey websites. Usually the per hourly rate is about $1. All right, 50 cents to $1, sometimes $2 if you're lucky. $18 for a free website like this sounds a little bit insane, but let's check it out and let's really see. Again, they say $20 million paid out. I'm not so sure about that. Looks okay. There's some, dodginess going on here, based in the Netherlands. Let's check it out, okay? So I logged in, right? And straight away, I got a $25 bonus. I've done some stuff on here, so now it looks like my balance is $40, okay? Literally, I spent like 5 minutes on the website. Doesn't make sense, okay? That's another red flag. You can't earn so quickly on websites like this, all right? So I look at the page and it's just so messy. There's just so much random crap everywhere. For a website that's paying out so much money, it's just very poorly designed, okay? Then another thing as well, if you look at these, earnings here, look at this, right? People ranking. Okay, look at this rank. Rank number 7 made $36,000. Rank 6, $42,000. Rank 5, $43,000. Impossible. Okay, on a website like this that's designed like this, there is no way that you can earn this much money. Okay, another red flag for me. And I know that sounds weird, but I'm very experienced. I've been doing this a long time. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different websites. Whenever websites show like this kind of style where it's 100% free, it's just surveys, you're just reviewing products and stuff like that. Maybe you click on a few ads. It's impossible to make this much money. You can make a little bit, but not this much. So for me, a huge red flag, okay? But stick with me for a minute. I'm going to show you some other stuff that just seems utterly ridiculous, all right? So let's look at the quick earnings, right? So this is the main way to make money, and basically it says you can test out free apps and games or voicing your opinion. By the way, guys, this is known as a GPT website. I've reviewed the top GPT websites, and the most you can make is about $1 to $2 per hour on a legitimate GPT website. All right, you cannot make this much money this fast on a GPT website because the business model just doesn't allow that, all right? So we come down here, again, there's so little information. It just says app, you will earn $15, start offer, like what the heck, right? Game, you will earn $15, right? Again, grammatically a little bit wrong here. Always a red flag when it's grammatically wrong, right? And just not much instruction. So I'm just going to click on here to see what this is actually going to lead me to. I've done this already, by the way, so I know what to expect. It sends you to some random website. Okay, so let this load up, and if you have a virus tracker or blocker, it's gonna go crazy. Okay, and I mean, this leads me to some random website. I don't know what the heck this is. Okay, so nothing happened. I didn't earn any money. I don't know what's going on here. I'm gonna click on another one just to show you just to show you how weird this is. It goes to some, it's got all sorts of weird click notifications. These, my browser's blocking a few of them right now. Super dodgy. Okay, and then it leads me to this. You want to be a millionaire? I'm gonna block that, right? I'm a man. I'm just gonna put some random stuff here. Okay. Right, it's gonna say, it's gonna give me my count score, blah 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 blah. I want to get the offer, and then it just redirects you to some other weird website. Okay, and then apparently you're supposed to make some money, but no, this is kind of like an ad, really. Okay, don't really know what's going on here, right? And then you just keep going, blah 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 blah, but nothing actually happens. It just keeps sending you to random websites. This is an ad for Kotex, right? So what I think is going on here is they're making you click on different ads and they're making money, but are we actually making money? Well, that's a big question mark. Okay, I'm gonna go back and just stick with me for a second, and I'll show you some other stuff which is just kind of unbelievable, right? So that's the main way to earn. So messy, doesn't really make sense. I'm gonna go to invites down here. This is another way for you to earn, right? And this is how you probably found out about BrandReview, okay, or Review Cash. So they say that this is your review link. If I copy this link right here and I go to the browser and I share this on social media, right? Basically, people are going to be redirected to the BrandReview website or the Review Cash website, okay? So it's my referral link. Now it says, for each person that who uses your referral link, you will earn $2. Okay, let me clarify. That means that if somebody just clicks on your referral link, they're gonna pay you $2. Now that doesn't make any sense. Logically, right? Why would they pay you $2 just for someone clicking on your website? Do you know how easy it is for you to make money if that is actually true? That means they don't have to do anything. They just click on your link and they pay you $2 already. Impossible. It does not make sense. It does not make financial sense for BrandReview to pay you that much money for just getting people to click on their links. Okay? It just doesn't make sense. For each new sign up, you earn an extra $20. Again, doesn't make sense because they're not buying anything. They're just clicking on your link and they're registering for free. How can this company afford to pay out so much money? Remember, they also paid you a $25 bonus just for signing up. So already they're out so much money, and I don't really understand the business model. And if you compare this to other big GPT websites, they don't do anything like this because those are real, and this one is looking like it's not a real website. Okay, so just a lot of insane stuff right here. Let me show you another thing. I'm just going to go to bonus, which is spelled wrongly, by the way. That is a big red flag as well. Check this out. You can make $5 to $200 by making a video about BrandReview on your YouTube channel. Okay, create a 2-minute video or longer, putting your referral link. The more people watch and subscribe, the more money you'll make. But remember, your channel needs at least 200 subscribers. Okay, so basically what they're saying is they're trying to entice you to make a good review about their website, and they're saying that you can make $5 to $200 just for making a video. Okay, so basically you're making a fake video about a brand reviews, you're uploading it onto social media, and they're going to pay you. It's incentivized, right? So that's why you see a lot of YouTube videos about people saying they've made money with BrandReview when they haven't actually made any money. Check this out. You can make $5 to $15 by leaving an honest review on Trustpilot. Again, fake reviews, they're incentivized. If a review is incentivized, it's not genuine, it's not real. And that's why, unfortunately, Trustpilot can be manipulated. Even though it is a pretty good third-party review website, unfortunately, dodgy people can do stuff like this and manipulate Trustpilot, and this is not good. These are all red flags. Okay, now let me show you the cash out. This is the final red flag. So lots of red flags building up. All right, now here's the cash out process. Okay, in order for you to cash out your earnings, you must earn at least $200. Okay, now $200, just so that you know, you may not know this because maybe you've never seen a GPT website, but 200 to cash out on a GPT style website like this is extremely high. All right, all the legitimate ones out there, usually the withdrawal threshold is $1, $5, or $10. They make it quite easy for you to get your money. But these guys, they make it really hard. Now, why is that? Okay, now the reason why they do this, and I've seen this trick before, is because they want, it takes a little bit of time for you to reach your threshold of 200. So it gives them a bit more time for every new person that's trying to make money on this website. But what happens is eventually when you get to 200 and you try and withdraw, they will change the goalpost and they'll say something like, okay, if you want to withdraw your money, you have to share this to 50 of your friends before we allow you to withdraw. And then you go and you hustle and you try and share to 50 of your friends. And then when you reach that, they just keep moving the goalpost and they never actually pay out. Okay, so for me, this website looks like a complete sham. There's so many red flags on here. Again, I've reviewed websites like this before. And so if you're wondering, well, Aaron, why are they doing this, right? There's two things that I think is happening here, right? The first thing is that they're after your login information. So if you click on sign up right here, you have to actually, well, I can't show it to you right now, but when you try and opt in, right, they need a lot of very sensitive data from you. They need your name, your email address, your username, and your password, okay? This, I think, is a information harvesting scam, right? They're just gathering as much information on you as possible. They'll sell it to the black market, all right? That's one way of making money from you. The second way of scamming you on this is when you go to the quick earnings and you're clicking right here on all of these jobs right here, they make money from displaying the ads, but they're not actually paying out any money right now. Okay, so when I click on this, they're actually making money for showing these ads, right? So they're making money, but they don't actually pay out the money. And that's, I think, the two ways that this particular website makes money, but they don't actually pay you any money. So guys, stay away from this website. It's called BrandReview. It's called Review Cash now. They may change the URL to something else. If you're watching this video, maybe it's a different URL. They move around and stuff like that. Websites like this always do this, but be very, very careful. Okay, there are legitimate get paid to sites out there. All right. For example, Inbox Dollars. There's so many out there that are actually legitimate, but again, you can't make that much money from them. It's about $1 to $2 per hour. It requires you to put in a lot of time, but this one right here is just straight up, I think this is just a fake website. So be very careful, stay away from this. Don't even waste your time here, okay? Unfortunately. Now, if you're watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make real money online, maybe big money. Again, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, some of them are kind of in the middle. But out of all the good strategies, I've used one strategy to generate multiple 5 figures a month. I quit my job with this strategy in 2019. So if you want to check it out, I think it's a great strategy for beginners or people that just want to be able to generate real income from the internet. I've got a free masterclass if you want to check it out. It's the link all the way at the bottom. Wish you all the best and hope to see you on another video review. Take care.